Mahatma Gandhi said, education means drawing out the best in child, body, mind, and soul. Is our current education system doing so? I think not. That's why I'm for the topic. Lord Macaulay designed and implemented the education system according to the need of colonial rule. That can produce babus in India who looks like Indian but quite similar to British. But now we are living in a democratic country. We need to nurture such education system that can inculcate the feeling of oneness, democracy, and unity in students. Our education system is book centered and exam oriented, ignoring learning and learners. Our curriculum is vast, outdated, mostly theory. It is not related, it is not connected with the life of outside classroom and creating stress on learners, very less space for creativity. It's not developing critical thinking and problem solving ability in our students. We have two types of schools. One, public schools for voiceless and choiceless people, and another is private schools for rich people. Public schools are struggling for resources, teachers, classrooms, toilets, playgrounds, student furnitures. Public schools teachers are deployed in non-teaching activities. But private schools, everybody knows, we should replace such discriminatory education system immediately. My learned friend argued that the current education system brought growth and prosperity in India. But I want to remind him, it retained poverty and conservatism, increased unemployment and corruption, and degrade moral values in our societies. He also argued that the current education system gifted us so many great personalities like APJ Abdul Kalam. I want to say, Azim Premji, college dropout; Gautam Adani, college dropout; Kapil Dev, school dropout; Dhirubhai Ambani, school dropout; Sachin Tendulkar, school dropout; Aishwarya Rai, college dropout, and so many people. Either current education system rejected them, or these people rejected current education system, but they got success. I think these facts are enough to prove that current education system is not working properly. It needs total overhauling. Education should be burden free and evaluation should be flexible. The concept of deschooling is being very popular nowadays. we should also think about this. We need inclusive education system that can fulfill the need of present and future. Thank you.